Bonjour! This is 5 minutes of French. For this session, we will practice the most common prepositions of place, like for instance, in, on top, under, beside, in front, behind, in between, in the middle, or above. We start with a little dialogue using these prepositions. Bonsoir Lara, tu es dans ta chambre?
Oui, je suis dans ma chambre.
Tu es sur ton lit?
Oui, je suis sur mon lit.
Le chat est sous le lit?
Oui, il est sous le lit.
Le chien est à côté de toi?
Oui, il est à côté de moi.
Le lit est devant la fenêtre?
Oui, il est devant la fenêtre.
Très bien. Here is the table showing some of these important prepositions of place. For instance, in or inside is dans. On top, sur. Under, sous. Beside, à côté de. In front, devant. Behind, derrière. In between, entre. In the middle, au milieu, above, au-dessus. Dans, sur, sous, à côté de, devant, derrière, entre, au milieu, au-dessus.
Now let's see if we can find the correct preposition. So what's in between?
Entre,
Beside,
à côté de,
above,
au-dessus,
in or inside?
dans,
What about in the middle?
au milieu,
On top,
sur,
in front,
devant,
under,
sous,
and behind.
derrière. Now, let's try to find the correct preposition in short sentences.
The cat is in the box.
Le chat est dans la boîte.
The cat is under the table.
Le chat est sous la table.
The cat is next to the box.
Le chat est à côté de la boîte.
He is behind the box.
Il est derrière la boîte.
The cat is in front of the box.
Le chat est devant la boîte.
And the cat is in between the two boxes.
Le chat est entre les boîtes.
This is a little harder, but let's try to translate these sentences using some common prepositions. The water is in the bottle.
L'eau est dans la bouteille.
The teaspoon is on the glass.
La petite cuillère est sur le verre.
The glass is under the teaspoon.
Le verre est sous la petite cuillère.
The fork is beside the plate.
La fourchette est à côté de l'assiette.
The plate is in front of the glass.
L'assiette est devant le verre.
The glass is behind the plate.
Le verre est derrière l'assiette.
The plate is in between the fork and the knife.
L'assiette est entre la fourchette et le couteau.
The teaspoon is in the middle of the tablespoons.
La petite cuillère est au milieu des grandes cuillères. Finally, let's finish with a few other sentences using common prepositions.
La fusée est sur la lune.
The rocket is on the moon. La statue de la femme est entre les deux statues d'hommes. The statue of the woman is in between the two statues of the man.
La famille est devant l'aquarium.
The family is in front of the aquarium.
Le chat est derrière la fenêtre.
The cat is behind the window. Le carré bleu est au milieu du cube. The blue square is in the middle of the cube.
Le papillon est au-dessus de la fleur.
The butterfly is above the flower. For this fourth session, you learn important prepositions of place.
But you also learned a lot of new words today.
You can practice these new words with the additional video using flashcards. Please subscribe and share this video. It's free if it's useful to you.
Thanks a lot and à bientôt!
See you soon. Thanks a lot.